Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. Feel free to subscribe down below to join the fam, just if you want to. Highly recommend, but you know, you do you. So welcome to 2021 guys. Happy New Year. I haven't talked to you since, so I just want to wish you all the happiest year yet. Good luck, because 2021 has proven to be challenging and it's only the beginning. So I just want to wish you all the best of luck, honestly, and also just wish that everyone is healthy and happy, because that's all that matters. So welcome to today's video. I'm very excited as always. So today we are going to be doing a dream board. I'm going to be talking about the pictures that I just pin on my Pinterest board and the pictures that I actually printed, because I feel like it's important to first of all just say what I want this board to look like and why, and then at the end I'll show you a little montage where I just put everything together. First of all, what is a dream board? Yeah, we are manifesting here. That's why I'm doing this, is because on 2019 I did these and 2020 I didn't, and we all know how that went. So I'm kind of like trying to save my year here, so bear with me. So for these little DIY, what you're gonna be needing is just a frame. I'm going to reuse a frame that I already had on my Lisbon bedroom, and then just some pictures that you can print. So for this year, I chose these pictures to just represent the goal that I have for this year, that is to grow my business. I think I've mentioned in a bunch of videos, but I created a small business. I'm very excited. Right now it's only available on Instagram, but soon I'm going to be launching the website, the Shopify account, Shopify store. I'll leave everything linked down below. So yeah, basically this year I'm manifesting. I'm putting out there that I want to just grow the business, grow the aesthetics, grow the, I don't know, evolve, you know, something that I want to look at and think, okay, so you've come so far-ish on these subjects, so just keep on trying and everything will just be okay. And yeah, because it is a very scary thing for me to do. I have anxiety, in case you don't know, and sometimes I get a really bad anxiety about this issue, because it just, everything is so new. Everything is just so new, and I don't really know where to start, what to do, where to purchase things. And in Portugal, I think it's a little bit harder to do this. So yeah, that's basically why I chose these pictures. And then I think, as everyone else, I have this desire to travel. Last year I wasn't able to travel. I was supposed to go to San Diego to like study abroad, and everything was just so crazy that time. That month, just, I don't know what happened. Everything just blew up. But yeah, this year I just have this intense desire to travel, and that's why these pictures are here. Maybe it can be just traveling around Portugal, because we have a beautiful country and I'm so lucky to live in it, but I don't know, I just want to go on an airplane and just, I don't know, I really miss just traveling. So yeah, that's another goal for this year. Then I have a bunch of pictures of coffee, and you're asking, your goal is to just drink a bunch of coffee? And no, it's the opposite actually. I think I came to this point where I couldn't live without just a cup of coffee in the morning. And if you watch my vlogs, I always start a vlog with me doing my latte. The thing is, I haven't drank coffee this year yet, so I'm very proud of myself, because it has been like 9 days without drinking coffee, and that's amazing for me. Because I used to literally get up and just right away get my coffee done, and that just created a sort of addiction in me. I wasn't feeling very well. I would start with headaches if I didn't have my cup of coffee in the morning. And so I decided to cut out the coffee for this year. And honestly, I'm not saying that I'm not going to drink coffee. I'm just saying that I'm cutting drinking coffee. So like less and less. I haven't drank coffee yet, so I'm very excited about that. But if I just want coffee, I'll go get it, but just not with, I don't know, I will just not drink the amount of coffee that I was drinking. Then I also have pictures of books, and yes, for this year I'm manifesting the will of wanting to read a book, because I truly want to read. I want to read more. I want to be more, I don't know, educated. I want to be more interesting, I guess. I think I'm very interesting, don't get me wrong, but I just want to have more culture, and I think by reading you just have that piece here and there that you are just collecting it, and I truly believe that by reading you get even more cultured, so that's why the books are on my dream board. Then there is a lot of interesting pictures here, I would say, because I honestly want to start taking pictures seriously, like being more creative and start posting more on Instagram and do more of like a social media kind of work. I want to perfect the art of social media. I want to be more active here on YouTube. I want to be more active on Instagram. But when I say active, I've been very consistent, I think, on YouTube for the last year, I guess. But I want to be active with really good content. So I'm going to just take the time to kind of film a very good video for you guys each week, because that's truly everything that I want to do, is just to give you content with quality. So that's what I'm saying about being active on social media, because I'm very active on social media, but I just want to have more quality content, I guess. Then I have these pictures that I think they're truly relaxing, calm, and inspiring. I don't know if you get the same vibe or not, but basically these pictures for me just represent me taking the time for myself, taking time to just appreciate the moment, to live in the moment. And I've done these in the past. It's not something new, but it's something for me to just remind myself, I guess, that it's important to appreciate each moment, because if 2020 taught us anything, was just that we never know the next day. So basically this is just a reminder that you never know what's gonna happen, so just enjoy. I have these 3 quotes here I'm going to be reading for you guys. So the first one is, you are allowed to make a big deal about things that are important to you. For example, the small business or social media or YouTube, they're small things, but at the end of the day they make me so happy and so fulfilled that I should allow myself to just take care of them as if they were big things. And honestly, they are big things for me. So people that I encounter in my life should also respect that action. I feel like I'm so blessed for my boyfriend right now, because I'm starting this business and everything, like YouTube and social media and everything, and he's just been so supportive, because for him it can be literally nothing, but he knows how much it means to me. So it's a big thing for me, it's important, so he's just supporting, and I feel like this quote just represents it. So even though it can be a little thing, you're allowed to make it a big thing. It's important, so just do it. Then I have this quote that says, taking care of yourself is productive, because sometimes I feel like people are just so focused on, for example, creating content or being active on social media, or I don't even know, like people should honestly take a step back and just realize if they're okay, if their mental health is okay, because that's very important. And I honestly have always tried to have healthy mental health, and sometimes it's hard because of anxiety, because of everything that's going on, so unpredictable that the life is. But I think that people should not be afraid of just taking a step back, focus on themselves, because you won't be even productive on your work or anything if you are not healthy here. So it is also productive to take care of yourself, so you go do it. Then I have, sometimes you just have to rest, the world can wait. This honestly says a lot, because I've wanted to launch this business for so long now, and I just feel like it's never the right time, or I'm not prepared, or I don't know, it's just a lot sometimes. And this goes along with all the quotes that I read here. Basically, you can take your time, the world waits, it's okay. So you just invest in yourself first before investing on anything else. Yeah, the world can wait, it's okay. So just take care of yourself. This goes also very along with the sentence that I just read previously. Basically, just take care of yourself and everything will go fine. You know, if you are healthy here, everything will just go smoothly. Honestly, for this year, I just want everyone, including me, to be happy and healthy, because that's always, at the end of the day, what matters. So now let's just jump into the montage, my favorite part of the video. Probably not, because I really enjoy talking to the camera, but you know, I really am just very excited to be doing this. Let's go. So that was today's video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below. Also comment down if you are actually doing a vision dream board, whatever this is called, or what are your just biggest objectives, goals for this year. I don't like the word resolution, so don't use that. And yeah, I'm just very happy to be back, very happy for this year, and very excited for this journey with you guys. Another year, huh? Who'd have known? So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. I hope you stay happy and stay safe. Bye!